Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to select a delivery zone in Menulog. First, open the Menulog Courier app and sign in. Go to Settings or Availability depending on your app version. Look for Delivery Zones or Zone Preferences. If your zone is open, select it and save your changes. If the zone you want is closed or unavailable, you can submit a zone change request in the app. Menulog will review it and notify you once the zone becomes available. After selecting your zone, set your availability and start accepting orders. And that's it. That's how to select delivery zone in Menulog. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.